Every day, millions of Indians use digital services for banking, shopping, healthcare, education, and entertainment. As digital data grows rapidly, protecting personal information becomes more important than ever. India generates enormous volumes of digital data every day through mobile applications, digital payments, cloud platforms, healthcare systems, and AI-powered services. Without safeguards, organizations may misuse or over-collect personal information. In this lesson, you will understand the purpose of DPDPA, the importance of privacy protection, the key stakeholders involved, and the role of consent and accountability. Personal data refers to any information that can identify an individual directly or indirectly. This may include names, phone numbers, email addresses, location details, payment information, or online identifiers. The data principal is the individual whose personal data is being collected or processed by an organization. A data fiduciary is the organization that decides why personal data is collected and how it will be processed. Under DPDPA, organizations must obtain valid consent before processing personal data. Consent should be clear, informed, specific, and capable of being withdrawn at any time. Imagine installing a food delivery application. The app requests access to your GPS location, contacts, camera, and payment information. Under DPDPA, the organization must clearly explain why this information is needed, obtain valid consent, and ensure the data is protected securely. Organizations handling personal data are responsible for protecting it, preventing misuse, and maintaining transparency in how data is processed. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act helps build trust in India's digital economy by protecting personal data and promoting responsible data handling practices.